Hey guys, I'm Mike.
And I'm Ben from TV Parts Today.
Does your TV have a loss of power? No picture, no sound? Screen problems or other issues? These are symptoms that can likely be fixed with just a screwdriver and a replacement boards.
We're focused on finding TV repair solutions for our customers, and we would like to highlight just how easy it is to replace damaged or broken circuit boards in your TV. Does your TV have power cycling issues? Does it have a loss of power altogether? We got a board for that.
Does your TV have picture but no sound? Sound but no picture? We've got a board for that.
Do you have vertical lines? Do you have a washed out or solarized picture?
We've got a board for that. If you need help identifying any boards or need to place an order for parts, be sure to give us a call at 1-800-203-7484. Our office is open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
And remember, fixing your TV at home is not only going to be lighter on your wallet, but it's going to be better for the environment. And as always,
let's get into it.